Hi, my name is Chandan Beloria and I'm from University of Wollongong. I'm presenting a presentation on welding repairs of high manganese steel in mining industries that I used to give in a report on that. So the first slide. So there are mechanical properties of high manganese steel, which is high toughness. It has immense toughness when we apply force on it, high work hardness ability, wear resistance. It has a corrosion resistance as well when we apply heat, and it does not have like any effects of environment. It just gives very smooth results. It has low thermal expansion, so there are some applications of high manganese steel. We can use high manganese steel in mining industries, railway road industries, automotive industries to make pistons, construction machineries, cement and power plants, stone crushing equipments, defense and armor applications. Like we used to make vests for the defense defense armors. So there are challenges in the welding high manganese steel are it just got cracks when we apply a lot of force on it, and sometimes the distortion and wrapping happens when we apply heat as well because of the low thermal conductivity. The loss of mechanical properties also occurs in high manganese steel when we apply force. So there are some environmental factors also affect it, just like having oxygen and moisture in it. So compatibility and the limited weldability. Yeah. So there is four techniques, welding techniques for the high manganese steel. First one is gas tungsten arc welding, also known as tungsten inert gas. It is a process utilizing a non-tungsten electrode. So it just gives us in three steps. First one is tungsten electrode, which gives us an excellent heat resistance and high melting point. Second is inert gas shield, in which we can use gases like argon and helium to use in a shield with the weld area for atmospheric contamination. Third one is filler metal. In some cases, a separate filler metal can be added with the weld pool manually. So shield metal arc welding is also known as stick welding, is widely used in welding process. It is used for the electrode coated in flux. So there are three steps. First one is consumable electrode, in which we make a metal alloy that acts as a both filler and an electrode. It coated with the flux material. And electrical arc, and electric arc is created by the tip of the electrode, as we can see in the picture. And the inert gas, the heat generated by the arc metals to the uh, electrode, which that fuse with the base metal, forming the weld joint. And then we flux coating on the electrode pursued on the gaseous shield that protects the molten weld pool for the atmospheric contamination. So there is third one is metal inert gas welding, also known as, like, it is mostly used welding, uh, high deposit rates and suitable for welding thicker portions of the high manganese steel, which we can use in like industries. So the last one is using a granule submerged arc welding, in which we can use this also use in the uh, also use in the higher productive welding methods, and it's used for large amount of heavy duty components. Yeah. So approaches for high manganese steel in mining industries are preheating, interpass temperature control, post-weld heat treatment, welding parameters and techniques, how we can utilize them, joint design and preparations. Quality assurance in welding repairs in high manganese steel in mining industries are like non-destructive testing methods. We can apply some testing methods such as ultrasonic testing, when we pass the ultrasonic waves through the material, so that we can check the material is not feasible or not. So second one is like magnetic particle testing, in which we can apply magnetic field around the material, so the material is good or not. Third one is dye penetrate testing, in which we can use liquid dye to pressurize on the material so that it gives us an idea that the material is good to go. My research question for this is improving welding repairs of high manganese steel in mining industries, and also give an influence of welding techniques like filler materials and post heat treatments, or on structural integrity and performance, how we can improve that. So the only limitation of the high manganese steel is to get in cracks when we apply a lot of heat on it, especially during cooling and solidification. It just increases with the high carbon content. That's it. Thank you.